Namaste everyone, and welcome to this Buddhism Guide online session. In this session we're going to be doing a guided meditation called Emotional Restoration. So if you're feeling emotionally drained, or if you've had a very emotional time recently, or even now you may have some strong emotions, then this meditation will be good for you to relax you and restore all your emotional and psychological energy. So for this meditation, it's better if you're laying down flat on the floor. So get yourself flat and comfortable. Put your legs straight out in front of you, but a little bit apart from each other, and the toes facing directly in front of you. Put your arms by your side, but again slightly away from the body, and your palms facing upwards. If you want to put a pillow under your head or under your knees, or a small blanket over you, then please do now. So just get yourself nice and relaxed. And to begin with, I want you to take 3 very slow, deep breaths in through the nose, and then very slowly breathe out through the nose. So let's do 3 of those. So now just breathe normally in and out through your nose, and don't try to force your breath in any way. Just allow it to find its own natural rhythm, and just give each breath your full attention. So now move your awareness down to your feet, and just relax your feet and your toes, and relax your legs, your back, relax your shoulders and neck, relax your arms, and relax your hands and your fingers. And relax your stomach, your chest, your face, and your head. Before we begin the meditation, I want you to ask yourself, what is your intention for doing this practice today? Just think about that for a moment. Allow any thoughts, emotions, body sensations that drift into your awareness to come and go. and resist the urge to control. Just simply observe. And let go of anything that is holding you back at the moment, whether it's anxiety or stress, tension, fear, whatever it is, just let it go. And allow yourself to sink deeper into the meditation. With your eyes closed, I want you to bring your awareness to the darkness that is surrounding you. And just notice the temperature of the air on your skin. And notice the floor beneath your body. And notice any sounds you can hear or smells in the room. I want you now to move your attention inward and visualize a place where you feel peace, happy, secure, safe, and calm. Just picture yourself in a place like this. And look around you. What do you see? What can you hear in this place? What smells are there? Remember, this is your safe place, a place you can return to any time you're feeling anxious or stressed or fearful. Just bring yourself back to this place where you feel happy and secure and calm. Now I want you to bring your awareness to your body and become aware of your eyes, of your lips, your face. Become aware of the whole of your head. Become aware of your neck and shoulders. And become aware of your arms, your hands, and your fingers. And now bring your awareness to your back. To your chest. To your stomach. And now bring your awareness to your legs, your feet, and your toes. Now bring your awareness to the whole of your body. And just lay there a moment with this awareness of your body. Now, without any judgment, I want you to notice the emotions in your body. Any tension, stress, sadness, joy. Just welcome any emotions that come into your awareness and just be present with them without any judgment. And notice any thoughts, allowing them to just float in and out of your awareness, uninterrupted. Now bring your attention back to your breath. And just become aware that the air is flowing in and flowing out. And just put your whole awareness on the fact you're breathing in and you're breathing out. Now I want you to reflect back on what was your intention for doing this practice. How has the practice made you feel? In a moment, I'm going to count from 10 down to 1. And each digit, I want you to bring yourself slowly out of the meditation state. And when I reach 1, just very slowly start to open your eyes. But lay there a moment, just bringing yourself back into your room. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So just slowly open your eyes, but just lay there for a moment. The calm and relaxed feeling you have at the moment, try to hold on to that for as long as you can. So now just gently stretch your arms and your legs. And when you're ready, just slowly roll over to your right hand side and gently sit back up. So I hope you're feeling nice and calm and relaxed now, and you feel emotionally and psychologically restored. Thank you so much for joining me today in this session, and I look forward to seeing you again in my next session. But until then, thank you and namaste.